Hi guys, welcome to my video. Ang ating i-review ngayon is 14 7-seater MVP Lux. So ang SRP nito 1,358,000. 20% all-in DP na to 78,000. So ang magiging monthly amort natin sa may 60 months 27,884. Pag 48 months naman 32,984. 36 months naman 41,691. Lipat naman tayo sa may exterior. Wheel type 18 alloy wheel 2-tone. Front grille, atmosphere LED light logo. Headlamp, automatic LED headlamp, height adjustable. Tail lamp, true type LED tail lamp. Naka daytime running lights na rin. Side view mirror, pwedeng manual fold or auto. Antenna, pin type, roof rails. And then guys, move naman tayo sa may power system. Engine 1.5 turbocharged, maximum power 197 to 5,600, maximum torque 285 and 1,500. Transmission 7-speed, dual clutch transmission. Wet type, fuel, gasoline. Fuel tank capacity 55 liters. Fuel consumption 6.6 liter, 100 kilometers. Auto engine start stop system. And drive mode eco, normal and sports. Then move naman tayo sa may interior. Instrument cluster 10.25-inch LCD. Instrument panel brown gray with wood trim. Mobile phone holder, mountain port, panoramic sunroof with heat insulated glass and sun blind. Steering wheel leather wrap multifunctional. 4-way adjustable tilt and telescopic. Gear shift, electronic gear shift with manual mode. Seat material leather light gray with gold tipping. Driver seat 6-way manual with height adjustment. Passenger seat 4-way manual adjustable. Second row seat 4-way manual adjustable. Third row seat 60 to 40 split reclining 8-level manual adjustment. Side armrest with cup holder. Manual anti-glare review mirror. Standard USB port type A. Bago po matapos po pala ang aking video, may free test drive po pala tayo. Kung sino man po ang gustong mag free test drive, kontakin nyo lang po ako. Ilalagay ko po sa description ng aking contact number. At para po may schedule natin ang inyong test drive, kailangan lang po ng valid ID. Yun lang po. At ang location po ng ating branch is Dongpeng, Caloocan, MacArthur Highway 1799. So dito na po nagtatapos ang aking video. Maraming salamat po. Sana po supportahan nyo po ako. Ayun lang po.